Hey guys, Leah here from Unbox, and this is the Nokia 5.1 Plus. Now for the 90s kids here, I'm sure you owned a Nokia at some point. This may not look like the 5110 or the 3310, but personally I must admit my sense of nostalgia pa rin siya for me. So this is the newest mid-range device from Nokia. Now, if the 6.1 Plus is a bit too expensive for you, then you may want to check this out. Just like the more recent Nokia phones, the 5.1 Plus comes in a square box with a photo of the phone in front and the key features written at the back. It also clearly says that it is an AndroidOne device, but more on that later. Inside the box, you'll find the phone itself, earphones, charger. I'm really happy na USB Type-C na siya. And you also have the SIM ejector and the documentation. One look and you will notice its similarities with the Nokia 6.1 Plus. They both have a 5.8-inch display, although the body of the 5.1 Plus is slightly larger because it has thicker bezels. The images on the 5.1 Plus also won't be as sharp as its more expensive brother because of its HD Plus display versus the full HD Plus panel of the Nokia 6.1 Plus. And because it's obvious, I just have to mention that the notch is larger than what we're used to seeing these days. While the back has a glass finish, it is made out of polycarbonate plastic, so konting ingat sa scratches. But the good thing is it's pretty easy to hold and it has a very good grip. Now let's take a quick tour of the phone. At the back are dual rear cameras with a fingerprint scanner right below them. The SIM card tray is on the left, power and volume buttons on the right. The headphone jack, yes, it has one, is on top, and the USB Type-C port, another win for the device, is placed at the bottom along with the speakers. The Nokia 5.1 Plus runs on a Helio P60 processor paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. This mid-range chipset is known to perform fairly well. It should handle all the apps we use on a day-to-day basis without any trouble. But if you're into mobile gaming, you might have to adjust the settings on your favorite games to make them run smoother. Because the device is AndroidOne certified, you can expect a stock Android experience that's free from bloatware. You can also get at least 2 years worth of Android OS updates along with security updates up to 3 years. Now let's talk about the shooters. As expected of most mid-range devices these days, the Nokia 5.1 Plus has a dual rear camera setup. The main shooter is at 13 megapixels with an aperture of f2.0 and a secondary 5 megapixel lens. You also get features like dual sight, AI imaging, and live bokeh. The front camera is at 8 megapixels with an aperture of f2.2. Juicing up the device is a 3060 mAh battery with fast charging via USB Type-C port. The Nokia 5.1 Plus is priced at 12,990 pesos. Honestly, it's a bit pricey for its specs, but again, we will reserve judgment until we've really tested out the device, so we will leave the link of our review once it's done in the description down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. This is Leah. Bye!